Good day, everybody. I greet you in the name of Jesus Christ. And the Lord speaks to us this morning about patience. Psalm 27 verse 14 says, "Wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen your heart." This is so important in this time and season. What is patience? Patience is not merely putting up with things. It's a form of trust in God. It's a self-control. It is a humility and a love. How would I put it? It's a willingness to remain faithful to God even when circumstances are difficult, slow, painful, or even unfair. You see, patience is just waiting on God. To wait, we need to learn to wait on God rather than demanding immediate results. You see, and that's what we do a lot of times. We demand immediate results, or we start making our own plan. God has not abandoned you simply because he has not acted according to your timeline or your timetable. That's where we make the big mistake. We try and pull God in our own timelines and our timetables. And what happened? We want him to act immediately. And through that, we lose out to literally move into real faith, real trust, to move into the virtues of God and to move into real maturity. You see, patience is so important spiritually. We may pray for change, for healing, for understanding, or freedom from a particular struggle. But God may allow that struggle to remain because he's working something deeper in us. He has not forgotten you. His plan works out for the good, and his time is really perfect. You see, and that's what I say, tribulation produces perseverance, and perseverance character, and character hope. Romans 5 verse 3 to 4. You see, so troubles and tribulation teaches us patience to go into the rest of God, to be seated in the place of Victoria. You see, patience is a battle against your passions. Listen what I'm saying to you. This is a key. Patience is a battle against your own passions. A person who lacks patience can easily become controlled by anger, irritation, resentment, fear, or the desire to control everything. You see, patience gives the soul the room to say, I don't have to react immediately. And we need patience is an expression to love. Meet people where they are, even if they are against you. We see we are being transformed into people capable of loving others when we show patience and we get seated and have the ability to be seated in the love of God, in the trust of God, so that we can love others and become and overcome others through love and transform them into the goodness of God. God himself is patient with you and I. So much more. We need to learn to be patient. If God has been patient with me, how can I refuse patience to someone else? Let's learn, let's walk, and let's be in rest and trust God. It's all about intimacy. It's all about love. I bless you.